Harpers Ferry, West Virginia, is a historic and picturesque town located at the confluence of the Potomac and Shenandoah rivers. This charming community is famous for its rich history, stunning natural beauty, and pivotal role in American history. History enthusiasts flock to Harpers Ferry because of its significance during the American Civil War. In 1859, it was the site of John Brown's raid on the Federal Armory, an event that played a role in escalating tensions between the North and the South. During the Civil War, the town changed hands several times and suffered significant damage, but it has since been preserved and restored to capture its 19th-century ambiance. One of the town's most iconic features is its historic district, a well-preserved area that boasts cobblestone streets and beautifully restored buildings. The area is a National Historical Park managed by the National Park Service, and it's a great place to immerse yourself in the past. The natural surroundings of Harpers Ferry are equally captivating. The town is nestled within the Harpers Ferry National Historical Park, providing access to hiking trails, scenic overlooks, and outdoor adventures. The Appalachian Trail, one of the most famous long-distance hiking trails in the world, passes directly through Harpers Ferry, making it a hub for hikers and nature enthusiasts. The town itself has a charming, small-town atmosphere, with shops, galleries, and restaurants lining the streets. Strolling through its historic center, you'll find everything from artisanal crafts to delicious regional cuisine. In summary, Harpers Ferry, West Virginia, is a captivating destination that seamlessly blends history, natural beauty, and small-town charm. Whether you're interested in exploring its historical significance, embarking on outdoor adventures, or simply enjoying a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life, Harpers Ferry offers a unique and enriching experience. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for upcoming Explorer videos featuring visits to various exciting places.